ROSEW full automatic L-static joining machine. Computerized elastic feeding to avoid tangling. Infrared sensor heating can eliminate wrinkles and avoid deformation due to excessive tension during feeding. Automatic sensor feeding, precise control. Logo positioning function through the color positioning system can accurately locate a single multiple logo position. Machine control system can set different stitch types, length and widths. Intelligent feeding control system, fast language switching, set elastic band length, width, and preset the required production quantity for different sizes. Ultrasonic cutting, smooth cutting edge, no burrs, no threads. Automatic collection system, which can preset the quantity and realize separate collection of different sizes. After the output is completed, it stops automatically and accurately controls the output. The best solution for high-end underwear factories.